Today I'm going to be picking a Yale Y12755. It's not currently ranked on the LPU website. Feels like it's got a couple of spools in it. I'm going to go at it with the Moki tensioner and one of the profiles I whipped up today. Haven't put a handle on it yet, haven't decided what handles are going on it yet. I'm picking this using the speed bump method. If you don't know what this is and you would like to know what it is, let me know and I'll make a video for you. Probably the easiest way to learn how to SPP. Works great against locks with spools. Just get into that last pin. There we go.